Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano ma-solve ang mga problems na to in 2 minutes or less? Well, here's how. So dito muna tayo sa ating first problem. Evaluate 246 times 0.1 plus 246 times 0.01 plus 246 times 0.001. So ang una nating dapat i-consider dito is ang PEMDAS rule. Lagyan muna natin ng close and open parenthesis yung mga products. So lagyan natin ng open and close parenthesis ang 246 times 0.1 and then yung 246 times 0.01 and then last yung 246 times 0.001. And then para mas mabilis, since ang 246 times 1 is just the same number, so sa 246.1, mag-move lang tayo ng isang decimal place papunta sa left. Magiging 24.6 ang 246 times 0.1. And then gawin din natin ang same process para sa 246 times 0.01. So ang 246 times 0.01 ay magiging 2.46 since nag-move tayo ng dalawang decimal places to the left. Then ang 246 times 0.001 ay magiging 0.246 kasi nag-move tayo ng 3 decimal places to the left. So ngayon, i-line lang natin ng mabuti and then mag-perform tayo ng addition. Ang tamang answer is A, 27.306. So now, let's proceed to our second problem. Find x such that x is equal to 5 over 8 times 56, 4 over 7 times 63. Is it A, 65, B, 67, C, 69, or D, 71? So para hindi kayo maguluhan, let us rewrite this equation. X is equal to 5 over 8 times 56 plus 4 over 7 times 63. So ang tamang gawin dito, para mas mabilis nyo masolve ang problem na to, since ang 8 and 56 are common multiples of each other, so therefore we can perform cross cancellation. 56 is a multiple of 8, therefore ang 8 pwede natin siya i-divide by 8, magiging 1 na lang siya, and then yung 56, pag dinivide natin sa 8, magiging 7 na lang siya. And then since 1 na lang ang denominator, pwede na natin i-multiply ang numerator. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. And then next, 7 and 63 are common multiples of each other, and 63 is divisible by 7. Therefore, we can divide 7 by 7, so magiging 1 na lang siya. And then 63 divided by 7 is just equal to 9. And then again, we can multiply the numerator. 4 times 9 is just equal to 36. So now we have 35 and 36, we just add them. Our correct answer here is D, 71. So guys, sa ganitong mga problems, tandaan nyo lang yung mga techniques na tinuro ko para mas mabilis nyo masolve ang mga math problems in any exam. So that's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And then follow my FB page, Manx MathTrix, para mas updated kayo sa mga i-upload kong videos. And then pwede rin kayo mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, Manx MathTrix. So thank you for watching guys. Just keep on studying para mas mabilis niyong masagutan ng mga questions sa exam. Thank you. ManxMathTrix signing off.